Good morning, everyone. This is Pawan Kumar Roela, PGT Computer Science, KV Chamira number 2, NHPC. Welcome to online material for class 11th, Computer Science and IP. Students, today we are going to discuss a very important topic of computer science and IP that is common in both of subjects and very fruitful for your 12th and 11th and 12th examination. The name of the topic is list. So first of all, let us see what are the objective of this lesson. So students, in this lesson, the purpose of this lesson is to understand the concept of list, to give a detailed overview of different operations of list like creation of list, traversal of list, concatenation of list, and so on. To explain the importance of list in Python programming language. So in this lesson, we will cover the main objective of the lesson is this one, and the contents that will be covered in these lessons are: first of all, we will discuss the topic definition of list, and then we will see the creation of list, traversal of list, different operations on list like concatenation, repetitions, membership operator. Then we will see the function of the list like len, list, append, extend, insert, count, index, remove, pop, reversal, sort, minimum, maximum, sum, and all. And then we will see the list slicing, and we will see two important program on list: linear search and the average of the elements in a list. Actually, these programs can give you a little bit overview of the programming language and the concept of programming language that we can perform on list. So guys, let's start the topic, the list. First of all, see the definition of the list. What is list? A list is nothing but it's a collection of items, and each item has its own index value. Index of first item is 0 and the last item is n minus 1. Here n is the number of items in a list. So students, generally when we go to the market, generally uh, we we see the list in our daily life. We use the list in our daily life. List is what? It is a collection of items, right? So लिस्ट में जब कलेक्शन ऑफ आइटम को अरेंज किया जाता है, तो लिस्ट में उन आइटम्स को इंडेक्स, कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग की बात कर रहे हैं, जब नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स को हमें अरेंज करना हो, देन वी प्रिफर द कंसेप्ट ऑफ लिस्ट. And in list, when we arrange items, these items are identified by their index value, their position value, right? So these index values starts with 0 and ends with and goes up to n minus 1. As you can see in the on the screen, I have 1 2 3 4 5 items in my list, right? And the indexing value of this list is starting with 0 and goes up to 4, right? n minus 1. तो आप देख रहे हैं बच्चों, लिस्ट की इंडेक्सिंग, देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ इंडेक्सिंग इन अ लिस्ट, वन इज पॉजिटिव एंड अनदर वन इज नेगेटिव इंडेक्सिंग. तो जब हम नेगेटिव इंडेक्सिंग की बात करते हैं, यू कैन सी स्टूडेंट्स ऑन द स्क्रीन, इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम -1 माइनस एंड गोज अप टू so on -1 -2 -3 -4 and so on. And negative indexing always start from the right hand side, last, from the last, right? And positive indexing starts with 0 and start from the left hand side, right? So in this way we can show the list items in a list, right? And these are the values 80 60 17 85 75. These are also known as the list item, right? The value of a list are also called as list item. So let's see the next, how we can create and initialize a list. Here it is. Lists are always enclosed in square brackets and each item is separated by a comma. Okay, so in Python there is an interesting thing with list. In list we can combine a group of elements of different types. Students, as you can see on the screen, I have a list 1, and you can see here I have 4 elements, 2 string types and 2 integer types. So it's a very interesting thing in Python. We can arrange different types of elements within a list. There is no boundation. Okay, आप उसमें string हो, integer हो, fractional value हो, you can combine it easily within a list, right? So to declare a list, we have to use, or we have to enclose the elements of list within a square brackets. As you can see screen, on the screen I have 3 lists of named list 1, list 2 and list 3. In first list 1 I have 4 elements, 2 string type and 2 integer types. तो आप देख रहे हैं string types के elements हैं, it must be enclosed within single quotes, and the integer type elements can be written as it is. So next element in list 2 I have 5 elements, 11, 22, 33, 44 and 55. And list 3 I have 4 character elements, A, B, C and D. Similarly, you can create a blank list. Blank list means a list without element is called as blank list. A list without element is considered as a blank list. To create a blank list, you have to do nothing. Just simple, give the name of the list and then use blank square bracket. Okay, it will automatically create a blank list, right? So in this topic we have seen how to create a list and initialize the elements of a list, right? I hope कि आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा. सो लिस्ट इजी है, इतना डिफिकल्ट टॉपिक नहीं है, आप इसको इजीली समझ सकते हैं. सो लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, ट्रैवर्सिंग इंडिविजुअल आइटम ऑफ अ लिस्ट. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ट्रैवर्सिंग बच्चों? Yes, exactly. Traversing means the visiting the elements of a list. Access the element of a list. अब there are two ways to access the elements of a list. One by one individual element or by group of elements using loop. Right? So first of all, let us see how we can access individual item of a list, right? Or we can traverse the individual item one by one from the list. So students, there are several ways to trace out or to traverse the elements of a list, right? As I have written some of the example on the screen, you can see here. So in first case, you can see I have a list. I have created a list with the name list with 3 elements, 3, 5 and 9. And I have given 3 print statements to print the elements of a list respectively from the first element to 0, 1, 2, right? First to last element. As you know, the indexing of the first element is 0. That's why I have placed 0 in square brackets in my first print statement. You can see here, right? And in next and so on, indexing is increasing. List 0, it will give the first item. List 1, it will give the second item. List 2, it will give the third item. And let us see what will be the result of negative indexing. If I give the negative indexing, if I put -1 within a square bracket, what happened? Then it will start reading the elements from the rightmost side, from the last of the list. -1 का मतलब है रिवर्स में चलेगी इंडेक्सिंग, नेगेटिव इंडेक्सिंग, और जो लास्ट एलिमेंट है इट विल बी ट्रीटेड एज फर्स्ट. So list -1 means that the last element, that is 9, -2 means that is 5, -3 means that is 3. Traversing the elements of a list using loop. लूप के थ्रू हम लोग कैसे लिस्ट के आइटम को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं? देखिए बच्चों, आप लोग जानते हैं लूप मीन्स द रिपीटिशन ऑफ स्टेटमेंट, राइट? तो अब लूप के थ्रू लेट अस सी आई हैव क्रिएटेड अ लिस्ट with 3 elements as I used in my previous example. List equals to 359, and here I am using a loop, that is for loop, to access the elements of list, right? For I in range 0, 0 range is what? It is a function. Range एक function होता है जो range of values को provide करता है.